Welcome to our Christmas fishing challenge. We're down on the rocks here with our friends Josh and Dan, and hopefully I'm going to outfish them once again.
My name is Dan, and I'm hoping to catch a bigger fish than anyone else today. The biggest fish I caught was a snapper, and it was 16 pounds. My favourite fish to catch is kingfish. My favourite bait is piper. My favourite fish to eat would probably be trevally.
Hi, my name is Josh and I'm 11, and yeah, I'm out here with my friends today and I'm hoping to catch the biggest and the strongest fish today. My favourite bait would be piper, yeah, because we usually catch that along the net and it seems to work really good. The biggest fish I've ever caught would be about maybe 7-8 pounds. The strangest thing I've ever caught would be, I don't know what type of fish it was, but it was fully white. It looked like a half hooker, but it was all, it had like jellyish on the outside of it. Yeah. My favourite fish to eat would be trevally. Yeah, I have a few: trevally, John Dory, and kingfish.
My biggest fish is 10 pounds, and my favourite fish to catch is a trevally. My 10 pound fish was a snapper. My favourite fish to eat is kingfish. I like it cooked on the barbecue. My favourite bait is piper because to the fish it's like lollipops.
Hi, my name's Elijah. The biggest fish I've ever caught was a snapper, and it was 20 pounds. It gave a nice bite and we let it go, so that was nice and good. The strangest fish I've ever caught wasn't actually a fish, it was a crab, a big red crab. And what happened is I thought I was getting bites, but it was just the crab hooking its feet onto my bait, so when I winded it in it was stuck onto my bait. My favourite fish to eat is gurnard because it's nice and flaky and has lots of flavour. My favourite bait to use is kahawai because it has really tough skin, so the small little fish like this baby snapper can't pick it off your hook that easy. My biggest fish I've ever caught is probably close to 10 kilos, and it was a snapper. My favourite bait is probably piper because fish really like it. My favourite fish to eat is kingfish because it's got a really nice flavour and it's really steaky. Yeah, so right down there there's actually quite a few piper and heaps of karori and lots of little fish. My strategy for today is to cast heaps of big baits out and hopefully a big snapper can see them. See what happens. So my strategy is to use small hooks and small baits and then catch lots of small fish on my rod and to catch all the big fish in my cast net. We're not getting much on bait, so I'm going to try one of these catch fishing soft baits. And these ones look a bit like a piper. Here we go. Got a small cowboy. This is a bit of life inside. What do you think you have? Small snapper. There we go, a bit bigger than the last one. Yep.
I don't know. Oh, it's a kowai. It's a kowai. Yeah. Little kowai. Little kowai. No, that was on a little hook with bait. First fish for me.
Yep. Another species. We got a walk cod. Here we go. Nice little rock cod. Got it on a sabiki wig. It's another species of the day.
You almost hooked my line.
Yeah. Another one on the list. There we go. Look at his eyes, they're quite red. I'm going to stick him down.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Now it's my turn.
We haven't caught much fish, but we've still had a great time.
We had heaps of fun jumping and diving off the rocks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and for those who already subscribed, it helps us a lot. I hope you have a great holiday. See you in the new year. Come on guys, get off the couch, come outside and have fun.